Okay.
So let's go to the software.
I pick a new.
No. Just that's fine. We are just working. We are just working with the
Okay.
model.
Okay.
Now you have the gear icon here on the quick access menu. On the quick access menu, and then I can maybe share a screenshot that is showing all parts of this model. On the quick access menu is appears on the topmost icons.
This
Yes,
one.
that is the Prota. That's the savers. Just move further right. Yes, that one. The gear icon.
Okay.
That's savers.
Okay.
Just adjacent to that. Okay, or alternatively, you can come to the building set out and then just move along. You'll just find the building set out. We ought to have that.
Design project.
Let me share with you something here.
Okay.
Yes, setting. I can see the setting here. You can see the setting. Just click yes. And then click. You can see those two gear icons.
Yes.
So
Setting center.
there is one gear icon on top of the setting menu, so you can quickly access it there.
That one.
Yes. So once we are here, we can start with the first one, which is the ProtaStructure environment.
Yes.
So under that, we have a number of settings.
Yes.
One of them is the angle increments. So that's when we are drawing grids, especially grids, and you are drawing them maybe not vertical or not orthogonal. You want them maybe to have slanted grids. So as you draw, there is an increment that comes with those angles, especially when you have hold your control button. So there is that increment.
Yes.
So you can set it to either 5, yes, or 10 or whichever. I think that 5 is still will just work well. Same to the length.
Okay. 5 2.
5 2. So we can just try and practice those two. Let's go to the software. So you can just go to the modeling tab. Click on grid, the first ones. Not those ones, just click the other one. The other
grid. Sorry.
Yes. So that we have, yes.
Yes.
Then just try to draw a grid. You click and then you hold your control mouse. You'll see the increment of what you are meaning.
I draw a grid.
Yes, you can see if you read the increment, hold control or make sure that you just hold your control button. You can see the increment. It will be increasing by 100. But no, the length is increasing by 100.
100,
Yes.
100,
So that's what we are referring to increment.
Oh, okay.
But if now you want to do it for the angle, if now you just move it, you turn it with the angle, and then you observe the angle, while you are holding control by 5. So sometimes you want just to have maybe 60 degrees. So you can actually set it maybe to be increasing by so that you actually snap it correctly. So I think that's so we can go back to the settings center. Then there is the other autosave option, which you can set it maybe to 5 minutes. I think I had just mentioned it.
Yeah, that's somewhere you had mentioned it.
Yes, autosave, automatic. You can see under language and settings, just below it, that's where we have the autosaving. No, just come to the general. Yes,
here.
We're almost there. Come to the general and then autosaving. There is this, we have 3 columns. The first one is this Prota environment, then you have the general column, and then you have the language column.
Yes. This one here.
Yeah. Now let's go to the
Another
other
language.
below. Just move it below along the language column.
Okay, below language column. Okay.
Yes, you can see auto
This
save.
one.
So you can just give
Yes.
it 5 minutes. Yes, that way.
Okay. Thank you.
And then maybe the number of savings or backups, you can actually change them there if you want maybe 2 or 3.
Yeah.
Yes, so you can just work with what is convenient. And then
Yes.
do you have any other setting here? Now let's go to the display settings.
Okay. The same point.
The same point.
Okay.
So under the display settings, we have what is called we have no, you are under, okay, you have view and save, and then you have display settings.
That one.
Yes.
We have colors, grid, object snap, and graphic performance.
Yes. So maybe if you want to have a dark mode instead of the white one, you can actually change it there.
Here.
Yes. You can change it to black.
Okay.
Then just click OK.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So though I prefer just the white one, is there just a person for personal preferences.
No, even the white one looks okay. It is traceable.
Yes.
So we do white. This
Yes.
one. And then okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And now you can go to the grids.
Okay.
So you can as well change. You can as well change the grid color, the grid steps.
So like I put how many?
Those one do not impact so much our design, because in most cases you'll define them manually. I can say just manually based on your design. And then you can go to the object snap. Maybe that one will help. Maybe you want to snap maybe specific places like start, end of your maybe model. So if you deactivate this, maybe when you need to snap maybe the end of a grid or the intersection of maybe a grid and a column, it will be difficult. So it's better just to activate them, and they just come by default. They are activated.
Activated, yes. Okay.
Then graphic performance, there is not much which will help. So with that, there is not much which that effect. So let's now move to the maybe project preference. Okay, we have here where you can actually write your name, so that whenever you print either calculations or the project name, so that whenever you print, they automatically they just bear those names. It becomes easy for editing.
Okay. Like that.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
You can even use initials. So that one can simply update whatever. Dates. Date is usually even automated.
Automatic. Okay.
Yes, you can just set it. We have the project units. Okay, the default one, which is millimeter, is just fine.
Yes.
We don't, it's just fine. I think all the units, the default units are just works well.
Yes.
Then for all those, for that there is not much to change. So we can simply now go to columns.
Yes, columns.
Under columns, I only noted that the challenge we have is that the spacing when it comes to design. So you have to restrict the spacing from 300. That's the ring spacing. You can go to rebus. The rest of the settings are just okay for the columns.
Okay.
But for the columns, Okay, under columns we have rebars. Under rebars we have what's called links. That's where
Yes,
I
these
want us to,
ones.
yes, that one.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
sometimes a column might just fail, not because you have used less reinforcements, but because of the way
Yes.
you have distributed your ring. So we just restrict the maximum space to 200.
Okay. This one here.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, horizontal, if there'll be horizontal, you can simply still, you can change even,
Oh,
yes, that one
to
also.
200 still.
200,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. Okay.
And then let's also go to the beam, and then you also restrict the distribution.
Okay.
Under beam, we just go to the design, click under design, that's when we'll get those.
Yes. I have clicked the design.
Parameters.
Mm-hmm. Yes. There is link diameter, minimum and maximum.
Yes. So
So I
that
put
one you can use a minimum of 8. That's link. That's fine. But you want just to just work on the spacing. So we have link properties.
mm-hmm.
Link properties. So we
Yes.
can
So this one I put 200.
200, and also have the other one which is 200.
Yes.
Now, if we go also to slab,
Mm-hmm.
and then we can also go to the rebars,
Okay.
and then we can just change the default spacing to 200. Yes.
Both to
No, no, no.
200
You
and
have, that's
200.
the
Okay.
minimum. It can be
Maximum. Oh, yeah, yeah,
it
yeah,
can
yeah.
be 175,
Okay.
150.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
And when we are setting this one, do you give the concrete cover? Do you provide it or you let it generate on its own?
No, you provide it by default. If
Okay.
you
Uh-huh.
chose your code as 20 as BS8110,
Yes.
it will come with 25. It will just come with
Yes.
just
Yes.
default setting, which are just okay. So that one
F25.
I've not
Mm.
have any problem with it.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, and then you can also check the code that you are using just along this column.
Yeah.
So project preference, then we have labels. Then below it, we have just move just below it, unit and formatting. Then we have labels, then codes.
Yeah. This one here.
Yes. So you can see we are using
Eurocode.
Euro codes. Yes.
Yes.
So you
Mm-hmm.
can change it maybe if you wish, or you can still have it.
Okay.
And then there is something I like to mention.
Yes.
If you want to factor in your seismic design, you click on this
Mm-hmm.
earthquake code. No, just click on codes,
Mm-hmm.
then click on earthquake.
Yes.
So you can see by default it will be checked on. Do not use
Yes.
seismic code.
Yes.
But now if you
So I can.
uncheck it, you'll
Yes.
automatically get
Oh,
its option. So
brings in.
that's
Okay.
usually by default that way.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay. Okay.
then just click OK. So you can see now they are telling you the type of code we are using, which is for Turkey or
Mm.
whatever. So I think
Yes.
you can
Yes. Yes.
simply
Yes.
click and choose maybe appropriate code.
But,
Yes.
mhm.
Okay, now with that, let's just move to our slabs. Under slabs,
Yes.
we also check on the rebars. I think we had sized our column to 200. So we can go to footings, foundation, I mean.
Yes. Okay.
So under foundation,
Yes.
we can decide to give our allowable soil stress. I can see you actually changed it. to
Yes.
whatever amount. But again, I want
Yeah.
us to also change the spacing
Mhm.
to 200. Yeah.
This one here.
Yes.
Yes.
Then maybe which your preferred minimum depth or minimum size of the pad footing. You can just set it here to maybe 1000 or 1200. Then minimum depth. So you can also change this one. Maybe you can give it yes, that part.
Yes.
You can give
I remove it from 400.
maybe you can make it 300 and the other one just increase it to
Okay.
this the upper one you can increase it to 1200.
It is
1200.
oh 1200. Okay.
Yes.
That way.
Yes. Then
Okay.
we have these use top bars. Use top bars. Just below that and selection bar selection.
Mhm.
There is this option here for use top bars, which you need to uncheck it.
This one.
No. That's fine.
Okay.
Just below that, just above where you are, you can see you have selection still bars. Yes, above kidogo usonga.
Use this
Yes,
one.
uncheck
This
that.
one.
Yes, and then you can
That
allow
one.
me explain.
Okay.
You
Okay.
know,
Thank you.
concrete, when we'll be transferring our load from column
Mhm.
to the pad footing. Below the pad
Mhm.
footing, we are going to have like tension forces. If you see
Mhm.
the nature of how that pad footing will be collapsing or will be affected the moment. So below
Mhm.
it, we are going to have like tension forces,
Mhm.
but above we are going to have compression.
Mhm.
So you know we'll reinforce where we have tension forces. That's the bottom side of the pad footing.
Yes. Yes.
And since now concrete is very good in compression,
Mhm.
we will not use steel on top of that pad footing. So we will actually now. I'm just trying to fix
No, it's okay. It's okay.
my charger here.
Yeah.
It's okay. So you can just click OK and then just proceed.
Okay.
So there is a number of those are maybe some of the key settings that we just work around
Okay.
in ProtaStructure. So let's just see this model in 3D. So I can see you haven't actually fixed the foundation,
Yes. Yes.
the footings. So let's
Yes.
go to the setting center and we actually also do one thing in. So if we go to foundation,
Yes.
there is the option for increments, size increments. That's what I have not actually shown you. So just on the design part. So if you look at maximum steel bar spacing, then size increment. So
Yes.
it means that if 1000 fails, the next option should be
Yes.
1500. Of that difference is so small, then you are going to have so many type of pad footings on site. So to make the work easier, you at least if you give it 300, if maybe 1000 failed, it should give you 1300. 1300 failed, it should give you 1600. So
Okay.
you can change it to 1300 to 300, sorry, from
300.
yes.
Okay.
Also the depth increase should be 100. I think 100 will be fair.
Okay.
Yes. And then base concrete cover 50 is just fine.
Okay.
Yes. So you can click OK. Then we also want to go to materials. So after we finish with setting center, you go to the material part. So
Yeah.
let's just go to the material.
Yes.
So under the material, I can see your concrete grade is okay.
Yes.
And then if we go to steel grade, 500 is still fine, but maybe you can use for 60. But you are using Euro codes. Euro code usually go with
Yes.
500. That's fine.
Yes. And when I use the 500, I was contemplating if this one elastic modulus, should I limit it to 200 or I can put 210?
But that's auto-calculated.
Okay. So,
Yes, by the software. So you just go with what the software
yes.
provides.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And then you can just say okay.
Yes.
Then we also want to edit the rebars. So just click on rebar diameter.
On columns.
Yes, for the columns.
Okay.
So this is a G plus. It's like a 4-story building.
Yes, it is a
So
4-story.
the 20 and the 16 will work. I see you actually did. That's fine. The rebars that you have chosen are just fine.
Okay.
So then the next for the
Beams.
concrete beams.
Okay.
D16 and D20. You should also add D12. Do you know why we are also using? There are some places whereby we are not reinforcing the top. We only want to provide the supporting reinforcements when we have maybe singularly reinforced. So instead of using D16, we can use D12.
12. Okay.
And then let's go to slabs.
Okay. Can use D10.
Slabs, yes, D10 will work. D10 will work, or D12 is just D10 is perfect. D10 is just very okay with that. I'm okay with that.
Okay.
Links.
The links.
Links, you can just do with the D8 for this model, just D8, just to ensure that we have a very, yes, click OK.
Okay.
Which other reinforcement have we worked on?
No, we have worked on everything because we have worked on links, slab, beams, and columns.
Now let's go to foundation floor.
Okay.
So on foundation floor also you can choose the, okay, I can see the soil that you used is rock. So
yes,
based on where you would like to construct, but I think you can use maybe a lesser soils.
Okay.
Maybe you
So
can
we
choose
can say
clay.
Okay.
Yes.
True.
And then you can choose rebars. So for the pad footings, let's go with D12 and maybe D12. If you have a very small, okay, this not D12 but D16 and D12s.
D16 and D12.
Or should
Okay.
I don't think we really need it D20.
Or I remove it that way.
Yes.
Okay.
You can just click OK.
Okay.
For the links, okay, we don't have
Yes.
any links on our pad, but you can still give them for the links 8. The 8 will still do.
Okay.
Yes, click OK.
Now for this one, if I may ask, this one soils. So we should always be going with the laser one instead of going with the hard one, so that you can have an effective. You can have an effective design.
Yes, yes. Or you can have a design that can work in the worst case scenario. Then
Yeah. Thank you, engineer. Yeah, I understand.
Yes.
So I say now, okay.
You just click OK.
Thank you.
Now, the other thing that you will be looking at. So we have actually done on setting, on settings, and then we have worked on materials. So we have to do a review of this model. No, I already understand that we are not, at least you are okay with modeling. So we're just looking at the very specific issue. So let's go to the review and want to run the analysis to check for errors. Okay, you can go to analysis.
Okay. Oh, I go to
you can even under review, you can still be able to check for building model check. Just go to the review. It's easier to do it under review. Under review, we have building model check, visual beams, material. That option is maybe in the 2022.
Or 2022.
Yes,
Okay.
they have an option for you run the building model check here. Now let's just do it. Okay, it's that one, building model check, not analysis. Just want to check it.
Yes.
Just check to see if you have any error. Yes. So we can just see our way of how we can handle those 4 errors.
Yes.
Because I like us just to do those settings and then just run the model, and then from there we'll see also how now we can start making it more realistic. Because and then we also print the drawings. We also do a review of those drawings and we see.
Yeah.
Let's just scroll up so that you are able to see the. So you can see they're telling us the vertical axis delta x and this angle that. Okay, so they're telling us axis exact orthogonal check. So this is what they mean. When you are drawing the axis, they were almost 90 degrees, but they didn't actually get to 90 degrees.
Yes.
So that one can be fixed by going back to the review. Just close. You go to under review, there is this option for fix the almost orthogonal axis.
Or this one?
Yes, double click. So if you double click, you just say okay. Yes, now let's just rerun the building model check and see. They just failed to. Okay. They failed to correct. Just move higher a bit, we see. Vertical axis 1 delta axis orthogonal check. So they failed the check. This axis can be fixed using option edit dialog box. Go to load, not load edit, log. Okay, just click on that to see what we can have. Just not before. Just click there. Oh, this one there is just about you just have to just read and understand the errors we have. If they won't invalid polygon, scroll down. Yes, those ones. Let's just check. Okay, you can simply close, though they won't have any effect on our design.
Okay.
But let's just try to redo them. Let's just redo those using the option I just shown you. We see if we can be able to fix. Double click or click update.
Because these are the sides.
Yes. Click
And I
OK.
can say okay.
Fix average level. Okay, let them just update.
I repeat again.
No, just check, do building model check. We see what's. Let's just repeat once. If they fail,
we start with these.
Angle is 270. Fix. Just use average fix level. I want you to click on that part.
This one. Or should I highlight all of them?
Yes, highlight all of them. Just highlight all of them. You can use the shift key. The shift.
No,
Control shift. And then you click the last one. Control shift.
No.
So you can't select all of them at once. It's not working. Just
I do one. Still not yet.
Still not yet. So okay, let's just go on. I'll see if there is a way they can be fixed. I'll just close.
Okay.
So we can go to delete unused axis if there is any.
Yes.
Click OK.
This one. Okay.
Move axis to not that one is not necessary.
Okay.
And then let's go to the design status. There is no, just go to the under review. We have the design status.
This one.
Yes.
Design status. Okay.
So you can see we had a few members that were failing.
Yes.
And then let's go to the columns. Just click on column section.
Yes.
So we have columns. These are then you can see the legend here.
Yes.
So you can be able to know if maybe you have an alien column that you are maybe not intending to use, and then you can see on how to work on it. But I believe those are the columns that you actually intended to use.
Yeah,
then you
actually,
can also
what I did when I ran the analysis of this model,
yes,
I had a uniform column like this one. You see, it's at 400 by 200. I'm at 200 by 400 rather.
yes,
But because of the fairing on the ground level,
yes,
I had increased the size to be 250 by 450.
yes.
That's why I have this different, but I can set back them to the 200 by 400.
No, we ought not to have you. In fact, now how they are okay.
Yes.
Because loads in a building are not usually uniformly distributed. Those which have maybe extra weight, those columns that are carrying extra weight, like for instance the blue ones, which are the staircase, and also they are carrying maybe the water tanks.
Yes.
So I can see they are larger as compared to the remaining, which is okay. It's perfectly okay.
Yes. But like now for this one, like this edge column here, the corner column here, is at the top, you see it is 250 by 400.
Yes.
But the down one is 200 by 400. Then from the bottom also changes here.
So when you come to the review, you can actually be able to see that those colors, they are not, it's not a uniform column.
Yes, it is not.
Okay, if it's not uniform, then the lower column, the lower side should be larger as compared to the upper one.
Yes.
So I feel that you should now change this one here, the one on top.
Yes. This one here.
Yes. So that now it matches with this 200 by 400.
Yes.
Yes, you can just change it.
So this one,
You just change the 200 part. Yes, and then you update. Just say okay. And now immediately you update, now we'll have an expired analysis.
yes.
So let's also, do you have any other scenario like that?
Let me check if we have another one here. Yep, like now, this column here, see, this one it's all uniform, 300 by 500 from the top to the bottom, but this column should be like similar to this,
Yes.
where we have the 200 by 400 instead of now the 500 by 300.
Yes, and then
Because this building is it's kind of like symmetrical, this portion and this portion is almost the same.
yes, and then maybe what I'll recommend,
Yes,
because
yes, yes.
such models are not usually very big, so we can just opt to change the reinforcement. So instead of maybe using
Yes.
D16, 6D16,
Yes.
you can just
Yes.
maintain the size, but now you
Yes.
just reduce the number of reinforcements so that it's
Okay.
easier for the fundis to construct
Yes.
on site.
Yeah, that is it.
We also want to
That's
meet the verticality, the alignment and verticalityness of the building.
yes.
You know, they might not position those columns very well.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
we can draw
So,
them.
so I can
So
change this one to
let me now
be
show you
symmetrical.
how you change it. I want now I
Okay.
believe at least now you'll feel that you are actually, it's worth it paying
Yeah.
for this. So just click the
Yeah,
column
very,
that's
very.
below it.
Mhm.
No, just click the column that's in the second floor.
Oh,
Right
this
click.
one here.
Yeah,
Oh,
just
this one.
select that column.
Mhm.
Once you select it, you go to building setout.
Yes.
So once
Yes.
you go to the building setout, there is story generation, story operations.
Yes.
Go to generate story.
Yes.
So we are in story 3. Want to generate that member to story 4, 5, and 6. No, story 4 and 5. Because story 6 is the upper side.
Yes.
Now, before you hit OK, just click here,
Yes.
replace existing column on the walls.
Mm-hmm.
There is selected member only, yes, and then just click OK. So we'll be replacing the what are there with now the column that we intend now to use.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. So I click yes now.
Yes, click OK. So process completed. Just close.
Yes.
So you see the process tumefanya.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Assume
Yes,
that
yes,
maybe you
yes,
want to change maybe entire flow of those columns, or a column that is in
yes.
between somewhere in
The building.
the building. Maybe you
Yes,
have to locate it by going to the plan view.
yes,
So it's very easy to just select maybe a number of columns, and
yes.
then you generate, and then you just say that they can replace those which are above.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Understood.
So let's go to, we can also do maybe a slight review on columns, or not on beams, on beams.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So let's just check on the beams, how they are. So we can see you have average. What was the size of these beams?
Oh, 200 by 450.
200 by 450. Okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
However, there is a, did you intend to use some water tank somewhere?
Yes, yes,
So I think where we have the water tanks,
yes.
we can maybe give a bit wider, not wider, but deeper beams. Maybe we can give maybe 550
Okay.
at that
So
exact place.
I intended to use because the the water tanks, they are going to be at this level where we have the tailies,
Yes.
but there is no specific point where I could put that I'll place the tanks.
Yes.
So I was trying to have this analogy that they can decide to place tags anyhowly, because even if we get them to place them here, maybe in
Yes.
future you might find they have some down, what do you call it, a breakdown.
Yes.
Then when someone is fixing, they might change the position where they are.
Okay.
So I thought of the entire this slab.
The
It
entire
can
slab.
accommodate, yes, it can accommodate the water tank. So is it a good idea, engineer,
Yes, yes.
to
In
think
fact,
that way? Yeah.
that's the best way to think about it, to just approach it. So what we are going to
Okay.
do, the
Yes.
the floors, the beams on that,
Yes.
we are
The
going to
floor.
increase all those beams to 550 or 600.
Okay. Okay.
Just open, go to beam table, depth, give them
So this
600.
one,
Yes.
we give it
And what?
600.
Yes. What's the size of the tanks? Let's go to height.
10, was it about 10,000 liters?
Okay, so we are going also going to look at. So you just select, and then now you can change them. Yes, that's very nice. That's very nice. Click on the. No, just click. There is
So,
this icon here. The arrow
this
showing
one.
down. No, no.
Yeah.
You are
Oh,
very.
this one here.
Yes, yes, yes.
Uh-huh.
Just
Uh-huh.
scroll down. You can now get 600.
Or 600.
Yes.
Okay.
Then just click OK.
Okay.
Yes. Then just close.
Okay. Yeah, it have changed.
It has changed. Yes.
Yeah,
Now,
yeah, yeah.
we can also review the loadings. Live load, especially the live load. Now that we intend to use water tanks.
Yes. So we go up to.
But for that is just fine. We can go just close this.
Okay.
We move. You can still have the beam sections, has materials. I think we have
Yes.
already set materials correct. Now we can go
Yes.
to loads, whereby we have slab additional loads and live loads. No, 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 no. You know, we are under review. We are under review. We are under review.
Yes.
So yes, yes.
Slabs and additional, yeah.
Yes, click that. You can see that this 12, okay, okay. So you are intending to use if you are intending to use what capacity of
I
the
think
tank?
I think this one capacity of the tank I had intending to use 5,000 because of the
5,000.
curve. Yeah.
That is
Yes.
okay.
5,000 liters.
That
Yes.
load will be sufficient.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's fine.
Okay.
So just click on live loads. Yes, it's still okay.
Okay.
That's fine. So we have done our review.
Okay.
Now the next thing, let's just check on our slides.
On our?
Slides, the lesson 1 slides. You see.
Oh, okay. 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 Yes.
So if we just move down, okay, I'll be showing you how maybe you can set that templates for future use, creating management grid. Okay, for this one, I believe this you have no issue with this, though you can just try.
Okay.
Yeah, in case you notice something that maybe is not clear, you can just make an inquiry. So you
Okay.
can just
Okay.
move down. axis management, offset axis. Let's move down. Okay, I don't see that. For now, we want just to focus on that model.
Okay.
But this one you can just review them. Maybe when you'll be starting a new model, like how now to do create this axis or what. So let's just proceed with the model. Just do the analysis.
Okay.
We start interpreting the results.
Yes.
Yes. So we can just go to the building analysis.
Yes.
Building analysis. You just go to analysis.
Yes.
Building model check. You only have the errors with axis.
Yes. Yes.
But you can just go to the analysis, building analysis direct.
Okay.
Then okay, we didn't select.
Oh, we didn't select the design.
Yes, but it's okay.
Sorry. I think I was so quick to click.
I just leave it. It will run. It will finish, and then you can analyze without designing. It's still okay.
Okay. And then as it runs the analysis, maybe it has finished. It has finished.
Warning: interstory mass irregularity
encountered in the structure.
Okay, maybe it was about the wall loads. Just click OK. Did it give you this warning when you are starting?
No.
In your
First when I
previous
was starting to...
in your previous analysis.
No, it had not given me this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that is the analytical model.
Okay.
You can go to the maybe solid. Maybe I see it more in a more. Go to solid. Analytical model.
Analytical model.
Yes.
Then I go to solid model. Yes.
Then you can see now the members that are highly strained.
Yes.
You can see also our slabs are very much strained.
Yes.
Okay. So let's go to, I wanted just to see how the load distribution is. I can see our slabs.
Yes.
Then, did you apply the load in all the slabs or maybe in a single slab? Ile ya water tank.
No, I only applied for the single slab.
Yeah, I saw it was only on top. It was only on
yes.
top. So
yeah.
It's only that I saw that the live load was a bit high.
Yeah. The one we had, the 12.
Okay, 12 was okay, but let's go back to...
yeah, we had also the live load of terrace level because it will act like a terrace in one aspect. That's where people, they will be like, if from the architectural drawing, it was named as a terrace level.
Oh, okay. Now I understand.
So that's why, yeah.
So that's why
it had a life load of 5. I had used a life load of 5 because I think you recall suggests we use 5.
Yes. It's only, in fact, it's inbuilt in the library. So I was just seeing at this model, and I'm just noticing that why are our slabs so much strained?
Strange, yeah.
Yes, but it's okay. So maybe you can opt to use Y12 now
In
because of
the
deflection in the slabs.
yes.
So no, we cannot change. We have just to go to the physical model first. So go to the physical model. You can just click on Story 1 3D, and then we can go to analysis and analysis materials, or we can simply go to not analytical model, but we want to do it. Go to building setout, and then we can come to material. There is two ways you can actually go here. You can also get to under the analysis tab. Then once we are here, we can go to slabs. Under slabs, let's just choose 12.
Okay.
Maybe 12 and 10 will just now do.
Okay.
Yes. Just click
Let's say
OK.
okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's just now run the analysis. Okay, we wanted to check on the live load. Okay, live load, I've just understood why it is that way. Just run out the analysis and design the model.
Now I remember to click here now.
Yes, plus or the other side. The other side as well. Click.
Okay, that way.
Yes.
Okay. I continue.
Yes, warning inter-story mass irregularity encountered in the structure. Okay, click OK. Okay, maybe that was the manner in which you are modeling. Close. Now, let's go to the physical model. And then let's just see its design status. Okay, we have just a single problem somewhere with columns.
Yes.
But the rest of the members are just okay.
Yeah, the rest of the members are okay.
So let's go to the plan view, first floor. Still click on the design status. I like just to note the specific two columns. I think that, and in fact, you can even check
Yes.
So what I'll recommend, why wouldn't
Yes.
we add a column at this place here
At this place.
instead of maybe
Uh,
increasing,
yes.
instead of increasing the size of these columns?
Yes.
I like us just to introduce other columns at that place here.
Okay.
So you can maybe just
Okay. Okay. On this drawing,
yes.
this was another. I had two models. There is one which I had put a column here at this point.
Yes.
This intersection here, and also at this.
Yes.
But I saw as this column and this one, they are so close, and it's only a stairs which is here. So that's why I had decided to do another model without now these columns. Because I thought now this road in here is just the adding of the stairs which need to be supported by these columns.
Okay, so no, it depends on how I want to interpret. Now, how can you understand why are those two columns filling? And you can see this model. In fact,
Yes.
it's very genuine. It's very genuine.
Yes.
You see,
Yes.
there is some truth element with
Mm-hmm.
what we are seeing. So
Yeah.
how best can we fix this?
No, it's just by adding a column here and a column here. Then this one will reduce the size because they will share the loadings
Yes,
on
they'll
this
share the
beam.
loading. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
We can try that.
Yes. So I introduce a column here.
Yes, maybe 200.
Maybe
You can introduce 200 by 300, or that will be 200 by 300 for it will still work,
mm,
or 400 by
so
200, so that it flashes inside the.
yeah, 200. Can I do 200 by 400?
Yes.
So I can do this.
Uh-huh.
And also I do this one here.
Yes.
That way.
Yes. Maybe you can also opt to.
Uh-huh. Help to.
Let's go to the plan view.
Yes. See yeah.
Uh-huh. Do you think we can reduce these columns, or we can just change the shape of these columns? The one
Of
around this, instead of
oh
300 by 300, we give it 300
300.
by 400. No,
Uh,
200 by 400. Or we just leave them like that. Also it depends on how you want to view it.
oh, this one.
No,
This column here.
those are okay. Those are okay. I mean the one
Uh-huh.
around the staircase.
Oh, this one around the staircase.
Yes.
Oh, we increase the size.
Okay. No,
Because
we
this
want
one I
just
had put
to
300
ensure
by
that
300.
they flash with our walls.
Our beam, our walls.
Yes.
So I can put 400 by 300. No, 200 by 400 rather.
Yes, yes.
And now I push it to be eccentric so that it can pave way for this corridor. Yeah.
No, you can just put them along these.
Uh-huh.
They can
I
just
put
align
them along this
along
way.
the wall. Yes, along the wall.
Yes, along this way, but
Yes.
our wall reaches up to this beam. Yeah. So comes backward this way.
Yes, yes.
So this one I put it to be this 200 by 400.
Yes.
No, is it that one or the other way around? Let me see.
It's X.
No, the other way, the other
It's
way.
X.
It's yeah, XY
Yes, X and Y.
200 that way.
Yes, that way.
Then I squeeze it up to this way. Wait. I'm
Even
talking
there is no
tricky.
need of squeeze. I can see it's just fine. It's just fine like that.
But this one is obstructing here.
Oh, it's
This column
obstructing.
is
It's obstructing
yes,
there.
yes.
Oh, now okay. Now I'm
Around.
just seeing it. I'm seeing. There is a like
Yeah,
a space
yeah.
to walk through. So you can just
Yes,
undo.
yes.
Just undo to get
Okay,
the square column.
okay.
I can now understand. So let's now copy. These are
Uh-huh.
columns.
Yes,
All
these
way
ones.
to yes.
Mhm. Oh, we pick this and this.
Yes. Right click.
Mhm, mhm. We generate.
Generate story. No, we go to generate member to other stories. Yes. So we want to generate them from the first floor to the fifth floor.
Yes, to the terrace.
Yes.
So I click that, and
That.
that.
No, hold control. Hold control.
Oh, sorry. No, it's my computer which is misbehaving. Sorry, engineer.
Okay.
That way.
Yes.
Okay. It's complete.
Now it's complete. Just close.
Okay.
So can we try analysis? Let's see the members that were failing. I think we need not to reduce them any much.
Yes.
They are just fine. Let's just we can run the analysis and see.
Okay. No. Sorry. That way.
Yes, that way. Just run the analysis.
It's complete.
Okay, just click OK. They are still failing. Let's
He
go.
went to has added another one.
Okay, let's go to the floor. To the first floor, we just see. Okay, click on the design and then uncheck on the design status and then uncheck.
Sorry, I click on the design status.
Then check again. And we have column here at the edge of this slab. Just
Which one? This one?
no, at the corner of.
Oh, at the corner.
A long grid. Yes, that one. Is that a column?
This one, yeah. This one is a column.
Okay. Now let's go back to those grids. So what we can do, let's change their orientation.
Okay.
Yes, that is 300 by 400. So just add it to 500 by 300. Yes. Let's go to the other one.
So do I do away with the one that we had introduced, or we just let them remain?
We just let them remain because that
Okay.
cantilever is a bit huge. Let them just remain.
Okay.
Yes. I feel that cantilever is a bit long, and also the beam.
Mm-hmm. Okay. I repeat the analysis there.
Yes, maybe one thing that you haven't done is maybe to do what's called interactive design, and we actually see also the type of reinforcement you are getting. So just click
Yes.
on the column that is failing, right click,
Yes.
go to section design.
Oh,
Just click
run
OK.
analysis first.
We have to run analysis. Okay, just run the analysis. Okay, you can see the type of reinforcement. It's giving us D12. So we have to go and undo the D12s.
Yes.
Just in fact,
in the columns.
in the columns. In fact, that could be an issue as well. That it might even we might not need to
increase the size.
increase the size.
Okay. So columns here. No, but here we have the 16 and 20 for the columns.
For the columns, let's go to
we have marked 16
let's
and
go
20.
to the setting center and see what really happened.
This one. We go to the columns.
Under columns,
Yeah.
rebars, longitudinal bars. Yes, you only have 16 minimum
20.
and 20. Why do we have 12? Okay, let's just rerun the analysis.
Okay. I think because we have not run the analysis, maybe that's why it is kind of showing that way. Yeah, we go.
It's okay now.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yes. So we are good to go. So the other thing that now
Yes.
maybe we can do before we go to insert our pad footing, we can just check on how our members have been strained by simply going to, let's go to the ground floor columns on the structure tree here. No. On the structure tree.
We go to ground floor.
Yes, not ground floor, but story 1.
Story 1.
Yes. Select for me columns. Select the word columns. Just click on column. Right click. Go to RC. Active story. The active story.
Yes.
And then you just look at the it's called utilization ratio.
Yes.
So the utilization ratio will inform you on how a member is strained, or the amount of load the member is carrying in relation to its capacity to carry those loads.
Yes.
So if we see like column 1, it's carrying 40% of what it can carry.
Okay.
For column 2, it's carrying 71%.
Okay.
So for column 3, it's carrying 29%. So this one will inform you either to decide, maybe if you are maybe suspecting some member has been over designed, you can actually reduce it. Now the members that are showing below, let's say below 40%, you can actually go and reduce their sizes and they'll still work. And the member that they are showing over, at some time you will see this coming in 1%, and it will see like the time they were failing. If I come to the utilization ratio, you will see maybe 1%, and it will be failing. So this one will be telling you how much. It's like a scale to tell you that this member, it was designed to carry this amount of load. Let's say 100%. We are just using like assumption, but it's currently carrying 29% in relation to its.
Yes.
In relation to what is intending to carry, or what it can actually carry.
Yes.
So maybe
So
a safe design, like the safe design can actually range between I can say just 40, because sometimes it's very difficult, maybe 40 to 80, or maybe 50 to 80. But if you have maybe a member that's below 20, you can actually see if you can correctify, so that you can at least come up with an economical design.
Yes. So anytime when I get column which is having 40 and below, I should always try to reconfigure of how to resize it.
How to resize it, I want to give you the easiest way, because sometimes going back to the model and trying to do you can just correct it while just it is here. That's the goodness with this software. Now let's just choose like the one which is 20% here.
This one.
Yes, but the only challenge is that, where is that column 19? Okay, just click on it.
This one.
Yes, column 19. Yes, that one, 19%. Just click on it. That's column 10. Click on it.
Yes.
So you can actually remove the columns, not the column, but this rebars, the reinforcements.
This one.
Yes, so that is center. I think that's center 2. Just click there. No, return those. Remove the one on top. Yes, actually that's how it ought to be. Then just click OK.
Hello.
Yes, click OK. We see how
that's I've lost you. Oh, I click OK that way.
Yes. How is it?
Still 19.
But at least
it's still 19.
And what was its size? You can also just
size is 200 by
200 by 400. So you can make it even 300.
Yes.
It will still work. So let's go to the design. Let's go to the, not design, but let's go to the model, and we find that column.
Column 20 in the, no, it's 21. Let me see.
Yeah.
Want to see, you have seen it's wait a minute.
I want us to go to the floor plan. Let's go to the floor plan. Floor plan.
Okay.
Let's find that column. Where is it?
It was column 10.
10. Yes.
This one.
Yes. So you can actually reduce it. Just reduce it to 300. Update. So you should also check on the eccentricity.
Yes.
Maybe now you can make it 50 instead of 100. Yes, that will still be
Yes,
fine.
madam.
That's so fine. Let's also change the opposite, of
Okay.
the twin sister of that column.
This one.
Yes, that one.
This one.
Yes.
Put it 300.
Okay, again, there's some other minimum that you should not go below. You can also check on its eccentricity,
Yes.
reduce it to 50.
Yes. Okay.
I think it's fine.
Stay that way.
Yes. So there are some other minimums that we ought not to go beyond, like you can't have lesser reinforcement. So though the utilization ratio might show you sometimes then 30% or 20%, but you have given it the minimum.
Yes.
That's the
Yes.
column size under the reinforcements.
Okay.
So the only thing that we have forgotten to do, we ought to generate those columns to the top. We have only changed the ground floor, but we didn't change the.
Oh, yeah. And you showed me how to change that. Let it stop running then.
So you can see now, if you take maybe like let's say like 3 hours just trying to working with utilization ratio and your model, you can see you can really optimize a lot of stuff.
Yeah, a lot of work. Now, and there was also this question that I had posed,
Yes.
that you find when you have done your roading, you find at the top you have like it's presenting, the column is presented to have more loading than the bottom instead of the other way around. Is it logical?
Maybe there is no load take down.
Yes, the road take down, yeah.
But we want to check it. We want to actually
Okay.
want to confirm that.
Okay.
So you can see still the member has passed.
Yes, but it's this one we have to change. We
But
have
now we
changed
have to
this and
change.
this.
Yes. So just right click and then you just copy, you generate as you. No, just select the two columns at once. Hold Control.
Yes, that way.
Yes.
Okay.
Right click.
Yes. Generate.
Yes.
I replace the existing.
Yes.
So I
Replace the
generate in
existing.
all stories.
Yes. 2 from 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 6. No. Because,
No, 6. Yeah.
yes. Just click OK.
Yeah, that way.
Yes. Now let's go to, okay, now we have to run our analysis.
Okay. Here it is.
Yes, so that is it.
Yeah.
So you can also check same to the beams,
Yes.
and you also no. You just do close, not beam table, but you can actually do what's called right click on beams. Go
Oh,
to RC active design.
oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah.
So you can see our beams. So our beams are having like 95, 90, 60,
Yes.
50. I think for the beams, we are just okay. There's not much we can change.
Yes, yes.
We can only maybe check the beams on top of rooftop, because
Okay.
that's the place where we have the critical beams.
And this one which is having nini 40.
You know, that's a continuous beam.
Yes,
And
yes,
when we
yes.
are casting, maybe you can simply add reinforcement. We really don't want to have variation of beams. Maybe in one
Beam
span,
size, yeah.
you have a depth of 400, another one you have a
Yeah.
depth of 500. When it comes to casting, it
Yeah.
will be challenging. So we can just check,
Yes.
we see what we can do about it. Just double click, we see. In fact, the one which is worse, the one which was below. So we have the 16, which is not badly off.
So
Okay,
this
let's
should
see
be
area. You can also, there is also something that maybe we'll be looking at tomorrow. There is area required versus the area provided. And also there is extra area that has been provided here.
yes.
You can see extra. Now before you click OK, we have the gray bar. You can see area required, and then area provided, extra area provided. So like
Oh, this one.
for that one, you can see now maybe which part has been given a lot of reinforcement. I think at this point, this 300 is not badly off. It should be not less than, the extra area should be at least 100 and above. Then maybe for this one, maybe you can maybe think of reducing the size, but you're also using the 16. The 16 is not a badly
Yes.
off. Okay, I think just this is fair. This is just a fair design. Because again, if you start introducing the 12,
Yeah.
it might also bring problems.
Yeah, sure.
So let's go. Let me show you a beam that I feel we can do something about.
Okay.
there is this beam which is showing 0.14. I think it's just a single beam.
Yeah, this is a single beam.
Yeah, let's just check on it. No, you can just change that one to D12.
Okay. No, we had not. Had we selected of the materials?
Oh, we didn't. We didn't.
I think we did it. We did 16 and
And
20.
20.
Huh?
Still,
Let me check.
so when you are doing detailing in AutoCAD, you can just change it.
Yeah.
So you
Okay.
cannot down, but you know that with even D12 still it will work. So when you are doing
Yeah.
detailing, you just change it.
Okay. Okay.
Because I feel if you had used D12, maybe could have got most of them will have failed, but still okay.
Yeah, it would have failed there.
Now
Mm.
with this, we are okay now to proceed to foundations.
Yes.
And now I'd like us just to end our session here. Then now tomorrow we can proceed
Okay.
with foundations.
No problem.
And then you can simply reflect on what maybe you have learned.
Yeah, definitely. This one at night, that's what I will practice.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I appreciate a lot, engineer.
Okay,
It's
thank
very
you.
impactful
Yes.
and very resourceful because I have learned a lot, not just one or two. There's a lot I have learned if you don't know.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah,
So,
because I've seen there's some things I was doing, but I was doing them in the long way.
okay, okay, okay.
Yes, 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 yes. Or using the long method.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So thank you very much. I'm very grateful.
Okay. Okay. I also did some recording. I don't know if you'll be interested.
Yeah, very, very nice. Actually, even I forgot. I had said that I'll request you. I just forgot. That will be very high, actually. I'm very humbled.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah,
So let's
yeah.
meet tomorrow.
Okay, okay. Thank you, engineer.
Thank you.
Asante sana.
Thank you, sir.